Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have NUCYPHER new daily update. We are going to see the next price targets, and of course, before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Patreon/Mind Your Crypto is the link you will find in the description box and in the comment section. You will get easy profits trading 200 altcoins through an automated system with buying and selling opportunities. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell. You will also get personal guidance every day, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, market updates, random giveaways, pine scripts, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's see right now NUCYPHER. We have NUCYPHER against USD. And we saw the pump from NUCYPHER from yesterday and so on. You can see it went up plus 15% and now another plus 10%. In the daily frame, if we look at it, back then we had a plus 13 and now a plus 10% today. So what is next for NUCYPHER? Can we get even higher? Let's see the risk metrics first. We are seeing that we have an overbought situation with the RSI, an overbought situation with the commodity channel index as well, not an overbought with the stochastic RSI as it can go further higher. And of course, the Fisher transform is near the red line right here. We have an overbought and we can correct any time. NUCYPHER against USD in the historical data, as you can see, it has pumped for more than just, let's see here, 227% in just 4 hours. And then it kept going higher and higher until it reached a top, and therefore the correction was inevitable. The altcoins that pump very quickly tend to just correct over the next few months. Okay, so right here we had a double bottom pattern, as you can see, and we had the breakout from NUCYPHER. What is next though? Can we get even higher? Let's see the daily frame and the risk metrics there. As you can see on the daily frame, we have a very high risk with the commodity channel index going into an overbought situation right there, but the RSI can potentially grow even more. Okay, you can see that we also had a bullish RSI divergence back then with the lower low in the RSI and the higher low, the lower low, in the price and the higher low in the RSI. And therefore, this is one of the major reasons that we are going higher as well. We can grow potentially even more with the RSI, and we can grow potentially even more with the stochastic RSI, just a little bit though, as it is in an overbought situation as well. Same with the Fisher transform right here, and the MACD higher low right there, you can see. Now we want to just get past above this high to get even higher to a higher high pattern right there. Let's go to NUCYPHER against Bitcoin chart. On the daily frame, NUCYPHER against Bitcoin is in more of an overbought situation right there, and it is logical. NUCYPHER outperformed Bitcoin. Therefore, as Bitcoin went down, NUCYPHER against USD had to go up, and therefore NUCYPHER against Bitcoin chart had to go and get into a massive outburst right here on the price movement. So you can see that it went pretty fast into an overbought. RSI is near the overbought, but not in an overbought yet. We had a bullish RSI divergence with NUCYPHER against Bitcoin chart. You can see the lower low pattern here, and of course you can see the higher low in the RSI. So that was one of the reasons as well that we went even higher. Right now though, we hold a very high risk. Next price targets for NUCYPHER against Bitcoin chart would be if we draw the trend base Fibonacci extension, Fibonacci retracement from the bottom to the top. Next targets could possibly be the 0.4017. Also, we have the 0.401471 and the 0.4014 as our major support levels back into the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so these are some major support levels. This is the next resistance level that we could possibly be getting higher to, as we have room actually to grow even more with the RSI, but not with the other risk metrics. Therefore, you should be totally careful in what you buy and how much you buy for NUCYPHER. Let's go back to NUCYPHER against USD to see the price targets and the next resistance levels that you should be looking at. So if I draw the trend base Fibonacci extension from the bottom to the top back on 10 February and to the bottom on 22nd, you will see that we have a very huge resistance level on the 0.62. You can see that it was the high as well on 10 February. Also, we have the 0.7876. Okay, USD as well. I thought I said USDT before, sorry if I said USDT, but I am used to getting into USDT charts. Right now we are on USD, right? So the 0.76 USD is the next target, and can we go even higher into the almost 1 USD? Yes, maybe, but at the end of the day, we have to take it step by step. Also, on the 4-hour frame and on the daily frame, what we should be doing is to close above the 0.57. If we do not close above the 0.57 here, then we won't manage to go to the 0.62. So right now we are above, but we haven't closed above yet on the 4-hour frame. Okay, so this is one of the reasons that we need to close above the 0.5738, around this zone right here, if we can manage to make it. And actually I would put this line right here, so the whole rectangle right there. We need to close above this resistance level. If we do not do that, then it is very easily to assume that we might get rejected, right? But if we close above, then we are going to the 0.62, and if we get above the 0.62, then we could possibly get to the 0.76 with a very strong resistance level in between those lines, the 0.68 USD. So you know the next price targets and you know the conditions that if you want to get it. Of course, none of these are financial advices, just my personal humble opinion. And do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Patreon/MindYourCrypto is the link you will find in the description box and in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.